Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so super excited for today's video, and yeah, I'm kind of stoked to show you something that's seriously next level. If you're into content creation, running a small biz, or just tired of spending hours editing stuff for socials, then buckle up. You're gonna wanna meet your new best friend. It's called Pippit AI. And yep, it's powered by Capcut, which already says a lot. Let's dive into details. So what is it? Pippit AI helps you turn your website or product info into full-blown videos in just minutes. You literally paste your website link, add a few details like the product name or a few features, hit generate, and boom, you get videos ready to post. And not just basic ones. We're talking videos with voiceovers, effects, transitions, music, the whole deal. Now let's talk about features, and this part kind of blew my mind. First up, link to video. You paste your website and it spits out shoppable videos. You can fine-tune the message for launches, holidays, sales, whatever you need. It even handles voiceovers in over 25 languages automatically. And if you want to tweak transitions or effects, there's a multi-track editor built right in.
Have you ever wished for a moment of silence in the midst of a loud crowd? Well, I found it with Pippit Suite's noise-canceling headphones. These headphones elevate the experience to a whole new level. Trust me, you'll never look back.
Then there's AI digital avatars. This is wild.
Hello, I'm your avatar. You can choose your favorite avatar on your right and click on the script in the video to edit it.
You can make an avatar of yourself from just an image or a quick video. Add a script, and your avatar talks in your voice. It's super realistic. You don't even need to get dressed or fix your lighting. It handles it all, and it's really great for product demos, TikToks, courses, or anything where you need to speak on camera without actually being on camera. Smart creation is another gem. It works in the background 24/7, taking your existing assets and making fresh videos for you daily. That means even if you're swamped or on vacation, you've got content ready to go. Just pick one and post. And the stuff that's coming soon, seriously cool. Layout to Poster will let you create full marketing posters from just a mood board and a prompt. You describe your vision, drop some product shots and text, and it turns them into polished posters. Then there's AI Talking Photo. This one makes still images talk with facial expressions and everything. It works on real people, cartoons, even animals. Think Mona Lisa portraits, but for your business. All right, now let's keep it real. What are some pros and cons? Pros, tons. It's fast, really intuitive, and saves a crazy amount of time. You don't need a production team or editing skills. It levels the playing field for small creators and entrepreneurs. You can reach a global audience thanks to the language options. And yeah, cons? A couple things. The smart creation feature is still in beta, so it might not hit the mark every single time. And with new features still rolling out, you might need to wait a bit to access everything. But honestly, these are tiny things compared to the time and money you save. So, I mean, yeah, bottom line, is Pippit AI worth it? In my opinion, yes, 100%. It's like hiring a full media team without actually hiring anyone. You focus on your business, and Pippit takes care of the content. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a brand trying to scale, this thing's built to help you grow. Now let's do a live demo of my favorite feature of Pippit. It's called Talking Photos. Here you can upload any image of a person, AI-generated avatar, or even a pet or a cartoon, and it will animate it. Next step, set a script and choose one of the voices that fits the avatar style. You can try a few here.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something amazing together.
Finally, set the style of captions you prefer. And now you are ready to export. The export takes around 30 minutes, so go grab a coffee and come back later. And here is a result.
Hi beauties! Today I'm showing you Vault Milano, a stunning line of leather bags made for bold, effortless style, chic, sharp, and built to turn heads. Let's check them out.
And here are a few more examples we generated using Pippit. Let me know in the comments below what you think, guys.
Welcome to my baby podcast. Today we are covering my 5 favorite toys that you can buy for my next birthday.
Olá, eu sou a Estátua da Liberdade e hoje vamos discutir os melhores headsets de realidade virtual no mercado.
Today I'm showing you Vault Milano, a sleek line of leather bags that blends Italian craftsmanship with modern edge. Let's take a closer look.
I wish I could talk so I could tell you how much I love you.
All right, so if you're curious, go check out Pippit AI. There's a big promo going on too, like 45% off if you use the code you'll find in the description. Definitely give it a spin. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment if you've got questions, and yeah, more cool tools and honest takes coming your way. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.